Chapter 3.7, Solving Equations with Variables on Both Sides. So we've already solved multi-step equations. This is another form of a multi-step equation. However, in this equation, 7 plus 3h equals negative 1 minus 5h, I have a variable, h, on both sides of the equation. So step 1 is to get the variable together. It does not matter if I move the variable from the left side to the right side or the right side to the left side. I like to try to keep my variable positive, so I'm going to start by moving or adding 5h to both sides. Then I will rewrite my equation. 7 plus 8h equals negative 1. So now I have put the variable on one side of the equation. I have combined like terms. Now I need to get the variable alone. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. And rewrite 8h equals negative 8, because negative 1 plus negative 7 is negative 8. Divide both sides by 8, and h equals negative 1. So remember, whenever you have two or a variable on both sides of the equation, you need to first move the variable so that it's only on one side of the equation and combine like terms. So let's look at example 2. Your science class is doing an experiment. You start with two plants. Plant A is 5 centimeters tall and plant B is 8 centimeters tall. Plant A is fertilized and grows 2 centimeters per day. Plant B is not fertilized and grows 1.5 centimeters per day. Predict in how many days the plants will be the same height. So I know that I'm looking for D, the number of days. I know that plant A is 5 centimeters tall and grows 2 centimeters per day. Plant B is 8 centimeters tall and grows 1.5 centimeters per day. So how do I write this into equation? Well, I want plant A to equal plant B. That's my goal. I want them to be the same height. So plant A started at 5 centimeters and is going to grow 2 centimeters per day times a certain number of days. I don't know what that is yet. Plant B starts at 8 centimeters and is going to add 1.5 centimeters per day for, again, a certain number of days. So if I rewrite this, 5 plus 2d equals 8 plus, 1.5d. So I have my variable d on both sides. I need to rearrange and move the variable so that it's on the same side of the equation. So that leaves me with 5 plus 0.5d equals 8. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. .5d equals 3. Divide by 0.5 You can just see that down there. D equals 6 days. Okay, that's it for examples today. Please complete the 2 quick checks and the CYU, and we will go over them the next time I see you.